This is HunyahTravels, and today I'm making the viral air fryer pasta chips recipe today. You just need is any kind of pasta that you like, and you just need to boil it and then add a little bit of salt and then air fry it. Very easy. So you only need one ingredient. Pasta is ready to be drained out and ready for the air frying. To drain out the pasta. So what you do is you put the drainer in the sink, and then you just pour the pasta in, and then it is drained out like this. It is a much easier and a much safer option to drain out pasta. And now it is like this. The pasta has been drained and it's ready for its next step. Now, time to set the air fryer. So just put the plug in, and you could see, and air fry this and put in the timer for 15 minutes and get this started. Add the pasta into the air fryer like this. So what you do is you just preheat it and put it all in like this. I'm just gonna put it in using this like this. So get that all in, spread it all out, and it is ready to be air fried. To be air fried, it goes in like this, and you could see it's all spread it out. Time to turn the sides of this, and you could see it's already like halfway cooked. So just flip this around like this. So just flip it like this. You can see, and it's coming together, and then that's how you know it's almost ready. This is almost halfway cooked. It's almost ready to be eaten. This goes back to the air fryer, and it's almost done. Halfway there. In about a few minutes, it'll be ready to be. It's going to be ready to be taken out. So here's the countdown. It is on 45 seconds, which means it's going to come out. Oh, it is ready. So you can see it is like this, and it's ready to be taken out. Now time to put this into the plate. So we're just gonna take these. You could see there are pasta chips. They are also known as pasta gurgur. I'm just gonna get to that in a minute. Here it is. Now just sprinkle on some garlic and herbs. Seasoning like this, not too much, just to give it a little bit flavor. See, this is ready and it's ready to eat. This is air fryer pasta chips. Very easy to make, very little ingredients. So be sure to try it at home, and be sure to like and subscribe and share HunyahTravels videos. And I'll be coming with a new recipe video sometime in January. Thank you.